Zach here from Voyager RV. Today we've got two luxury fifth wheels that I'm really excited to show you. Behind me we've got the Solitude 417KB, and over here we've got the Pinnacle 38FBRK. Both are dual bathroom, rear kitchen luxury fifth wheels. They both have fantastic options. Let's go take a closer look. So on the outside, you'd have a hard time differentiating between these two models. They're quite similar, but they're absolutely gorgeous. So they both have dual exterior power awnings, as you can see above that slide, and over there we've got the MORryde StepAbove Entrance Steps. These things are incredible, rock solid. The strut assist handle that also is included with these. They've got the frameless dual pane windows, looking really clean on both of them. Both have a great exterior package on them. Ample storage. I mean, the storage is so close, it's hard to even compare them. Just stunning exterior. Just look at the two. Here on the inside of the Solitude, you get that nice, wide, warm feeling, something to really relax with. The Pinnacle provides a bright, open feel, which lends itself to entertaining. The Solitude Kitchen is spacious, featuring modern appliances, ample counter space, a walk-in pantry with prep and appliance counter, plenty of storage. You also get soft close hinges. The Pinnacle Kitchen also impresses with its state-of-the-art appliances, extensive counter space, sleek design, two pantries, and the addition of a dishwasher. In the living room of the Solitude, you'll find your stylish entertainment system up here with the fireplace, your theater seating, and then two hide-a-bed couches for plenty of extra sleeping space. The Pinnacle living room offers comfortable seating with its large L-shaped couch, built-in recliners, and a hide-a-bed, which is perfect for TV viewing, along with the fireplace and soundbar setup. For dining, the Solitude offers their signature wall-mounted dinette with the 4 padded chairs, and it's all dedicated, so you don't have to worry about making it, moving it. You can if you want to, but you don't have to. The Pinnacle takes a different approach with its dining table that will expand to a 4-person option with the included leaf. If you're more of the work from home type, you can use the included desk/coffee bar. Moving up into the Solitude's bedroom, I mean, look at this. Boasts luxury king bed, generous storage, TV, and a serene atmosphere. The Pinnacle's bedroom is equally inviting, with its plush king bed, ample storage, TV, and a premium feel. The Solitude features dual bathrooms, with the powder room being at the midway point. Pinnacle also comes with dual bathrooms, with your powder room being at the midpoint. The main bathroom offers more headroom, multi-head shower, washer-dryer closet, and a porcelain foot flush toilet. Pinnacle's main bathroom features dual sinks, walk-in closet, multi-head shower, and a porcelain foot flush toilet. The Solitude's layout is designed for maximum efficiency, with multiple slides and optimized space. The Pinnacle's layout is equally thoughtful, providing a well-organized space with excellent flow. The Solitude does come with a slightly larger solar setup and inverter, making it work well for off-grid adventures. If outside entertainment is your thing, the Pinnacle has you covered with its exterior TV and griddle. Both RVs come with camera prep to extend the convenience and safety. So both the Solitude and the Pinnacle have a lot to offer. Each are catering to different preference and needs. Both RVs are actually closely matched. They're matched in weight, length, price, options, so it comes down to you. We invite you to come down, check these luxury fifth wheels out in person, and decide what best fits your lifestyle. Ready to explore these RVs further? Drop by Voyager RV or visit our website at voyagerrv.ca to shop online. See you soon.